Ginger Allen from your Marketing Liaison. When it comes to TV or branding or anything in between, we've got you covered. So blogs are a great way to position yourself as an expert in your field. When you create great content on your blog, it makes you an industry expert that you can share in lots of places. So when you are writing your blog, you want to make sure you're using experience and also content related to your business so that people understand that your blog is relevant to what your business does. You also want to use titles and keywords in your blog to make sure that the search engines are picking up those words when people are searching for business-related terms, like marketing, for example. So we recommend to have a blog on your website. So we actually have on our website a blog page. So every time we have a blog, we put it up on our website. You can also share it from your website to all of your social media platforms. So the blog can basically be used for evergreen content. The other great thing about blogs, when you do it on your website, is it keeps your content relevant. You want to make sure that you're having consistent, fresh content on your website and all of your social media platforms, because that gives you additional SEO on the websites when people are searching for your specific business. Keep your blog short and focused, but always make sure they lead back to your business services. I would also recommend having a tab on your website that leads them to your blog, so it's easy for people to find. Since they'll already be on your website, then they'll have an easy way to contact you for more information. If you need help writing a blog for your business or your website, give us a call. We've got you covered.